Imagine creating YouTube shorts without using your face, get thousands of views using just AI. I show you how. So first we go on ChatGPT and we use a prompt like this. Give me a short animated parable story suitable for a 50 seconds YouTube short video. Featuring animals with a clear moral at the end must be under 800 words. Or you can use whatever animal you like. Let's see. Very nice. The fox and the firefly. So what we do now is this. We are going to use the first two scenes in Elevenlabs and create a voiceover. So we sign in. Remember, Elevenlabs gives for us 10,000 free credits each month. We copy-paste the first scene. Very nice. Here we can choose the voice. This bill sounds nice. Very nice. So we generate speech.
One quiet night, a fox wandered through the forest, feeling lonely and unseen. No one ever notices me. I wish I could shine like the stars.
You listen how natural it sounds? That's perfect. So now we download it. Very nice. So what we do now is say to ChatGPT to give me a prompt for this scene. And what we do now is copy-paste the very first. Give me a prompt for this scene for Leonardo.AI. One quiet night, blah, blah, blah. Very nice. What we do now is copy this. We go to Leonardo.AI, launch app. We go to image. So we be now in image. The model is Lucid Origin. Very nice. What we do now, because we were going to use a short, so we go to TikTok 916 dimension. Cool. We type the prompt, we paste the prompt, and we press generate. Let's see. Pretty fast, it gave to us these 4 photos. We can check them like this. You see? So we're going to download this one. Download image. So we move on to the second scene. We ask to do the same for us. And then we copy-paste the second scene. Let's see now. So we come here, we delete the last one, and we paste the new one. Generate. You can even see that it gives us some recommended style tags that you can use, you can play around. And this is what it gives us. So what we're gonna do now is this. Download a couple of them. This one. And this one. Very nice. We move on. So now that we have our pictures from Leonardo and our voiceover from Elevenlabs, we can move on in CapCut. Create a project, import the files, just so easy as it looks like. So we have 3 images and the voiceover. Very nice. So now we paste them. So this is what we get. Now we play around.
One quiet night, a fox wandered through the forest, feeling lonely and unseen. No one ever notices me. I wish I could shine like the stars.
And this is how we can create shorts easy using AI tools. Thank you very much.